I will be your nurse for today. How is your condition today?
I'm still feel pain in my stomach.
Okay, I am here to do for assessment which focus on your pain. Is that alright?
Yes, that's fine, nurse.
Before I process, can you confirm to me your name and date of birth, please?
My name is Leonti and my date of birth is 10 January 1993.
Can I just double check that with your ID badge? I can confirm your name is Jayanti, your date of birth is 10 January 1993. Is that alright?
Yes.
Jayanti, what brought you to the hospital?
I came in here because I have stomachache, because I have eaten spicy food.
Okay, now I process with my pain assessment. Can you tell me where the pain is?
The pain is on stomach.
Can you point me where that is?
It's around here.
What makes it better and what makes it worse?
Activities on movement worsen this pain and the pain is alleviated by rest or medication.
How is the pain like? Is it throbbing? Is it burning? Shooting? Dull? Sharp? Can you describe to the pain?
It is a sharp pain and it's here in my stomach and it occurs suddenly and intensely.
It is just on your stomach or does it travel or start somewhere else?
I believe it is just on my stomach, nurse.
So with a scale of 0 to 10, 0 is no pain, intending the worst pain you ever experienced, how would you rate it?
I think around about a 5.
If the scale is 5, you are in moderate pain. Is it true?
Yes, nurse.
When you are in the pain, how long does it normally last? And does it come and go? And is it sudden or gradual?
It usually comes and goes.
I understand that you are in the pain right now, and I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, I speak to the doctor regarding my assessment, and the later I will come back just to regularly check on your pain. Is that alright?
Okay, nurse. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Jayanti. Here, you call Bill. Let us know if you need anything.
Okay, nurse.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.